Outlook HR Solutions, your recruitment partner. For information related to HR management, jobs, and interviews, subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon, and select.
Hello everyone, this is Prajakta from Outlook HR Solutions. In this video, I'm going to share the first set of 25 words with their meanings in 3 languages, that is Hindi, Urdu and Telugu, apart from English language, and their usage in sentences. So each word is divided into 2 parts with the help of apostrophe symbol. We need to stress on the word before the apostrophe for correct pronunciation. So here are the first set of 25 words. First word is abandon. To leave or give up completely, to desert. Abandon को हम हिंदी में छोड़ देना कहते हैं, उर्दू में तर्क करना, तेलुगु में विडिचिपोवु. For example, the ship was abandoned by its crew during the storm. Next word is abdomen, stomach. Abdomen को हम हिंदी में पेट कहते हैं, उर्दू में पेट कहते हैं, तेलुगु में उदरम. For example, he felt pain in his abdomen after eating too much. Next word is abduct, to kidnap or take someone away against their will. Abduct को हम हिंदी में अपहरण करना कहते हैं, उर्दू में अगवा करना, तेलुगु में अपहरिंचु. For example, the police are investigating the case of a child being abducted from the park. Next word is abide. Continuing without change, enduring. Abide को हम हिंदी में स्थायी कहते हैं, उर्दू में तस्लीम करना, तेलुगु में स्थायी. For example, he always abides by the rules. Next word is aboard. On or in a ship, aircraft, train or other vehicle. Aboard को हम हिंदी में जहाज़ के अंदर कहते हैं, उर्दू में जहाज़ में, तेलुगु में ओडलो. For example, we were excited to be aboard the new cruise ship. Next word is abrupt, sudden and unexpected, brief to the point of rudeness. Abrupt को हम हिंदी में तत्काल कहते हैं, उर्दू में अचानक, तेलुगु में आकस्मिका. For example, the meeting came to an abrupt end when the fire alarm went off. Next word is absent, not present, away. Absent को हम हिंदी में अनुपस्थित कहते हैं, उर्दू में गायब, तेलुगु में अनुपस्थितम. For example, the teacher marked him absent because he didn't attend the class. Next word is absolute, not limited by restrictions or conditions, complete and total. Absolute को हम हिंदी में पूर्ण कहते हैं, उर्दू में पूरा, तेलुगु में पूर्ति. For example, the king had absolute power over his kingdom. Next word is absolutely, completely, without any doubt or exception. Absolutely को हम हिंदी में पूरी तरह से कहते हैं, उर्दू में बिल्कुल, तेलुगु में पूर्तिगा. For example, she was absolutely sure about her decision. Next word is absorb, to take in or soak up, usually a liquid or information. Absorb को हम हिंदी में अवशोषित करना कहते हैं, उर्दू में जज्ब करना, तेलुगु में शोचिंचु, पीलचुको. For example, the sponge can absorb a large amount of water. Next word is abstract, existing in thought or as an idea but not having a physical or concrete existence. Abstract को हम हिंदी में सार कहते हैं, उर्दू में ख्याली, तेलुगु में संग्रहिंचु. For example, the artist created an abstract painting that left the viewers to interpret its meaning. Next word is absurd, wildly unreasonable, illogical or inappropriate. Absurd को हम हिंदी में बेतुका कहते हैं, उर्दू में बेहुदा, तेलुगु में असंबद्धమైన. For example, the idea of a flying elephant seemed absurd to the children. Next word is abundant, existing or available in large quantities, plentiful. अबंडेंट को हम हिंदी में प्रचुर कहते हैं, उर्दू में बहुत ज़्यादा, तेलुगु में प्रचुरమైన. For example, the garden was filled with abundant flowers of various colors. Next word is abusive. Using language that is offensive or harmful, often to criticize or hurt someone. Abusive को हिंदी में गाली देने वाला कहते हैं, उर्दू में बदसलूकी, तेलुगु में दुर्भाषा. For example, the coach was fired for using abusive language towards the players. Next word is academy. A place of study or training in a particular field, especially arts and science. Academy को हिंदी में, उर्दू में और तेलुगु में academy कहते हैं. For example, she enrolled in the dance academy to pursue her passion for dance. Next word is accelerate. To increase in speed or rate, to move faster. Accelerate को हम हिंदी में तेज़ी से बढ़ाना कहते हैं, उर्दू में तेज़ी से बढ़ाना, तेलुगु में वेगंगा पेरिगिपोवु. For example, the car accelerated as it merged onto the highway. Next word is accent. A distinctive way of pronouncing a language, especially one associated with a particular country, area or social. Accent को हम हिंदी में उच्चारण कहते हैं, उर्दू में लहजा, तेलुगु में उच्चारणा. For example, the British accent is different from the American accent. Next word is acceptable. Able to be agreed upon, satisfactory or allowable. Acceptable को हम हिंदी में स्वीकृत कहते हैं, उर्दू में कबूल, तेलुगु में अंगीकार्यమైన. For example, the terms of the contract were acceptable to both parties. Next word is access. The means or opportunity to approach or enter a place. Access को हम हिंदी में पहुंच कहते हैं, उर्दू में दाखिला, तेलुगु में प्रवेशम. For example, the key card provides access to the secure building. Next word is accuse. To charge someone with an offense or crime. To blame or claim that someone has done something wrong. Accuse को हम हिंदी में आरोप लगाना कहते हैं, उर्दू में इल्ज़ाम लगाना, तेलुगु में आरोपिंचु. For example, the detective decided to accuse the suspect of theft. Next word is accommodation. A group of rooms or building in which someone may live or stay. Adjustment or adaptation. Accommodation को हम हिंदी में आवास कहते हैं, उर्दू में रिहाइश, तेलुगु में आश्रयम. For example, the hotel provided comfortable accommodation for the guests. Next word is accomplish. To achieve or complete successfully. Accomplish को हम हिंदी में पूरा करना कहते हैं, उर्दू में कामयाब होना, तेलुगु में साधिंचु. For example, after years of hard work, she finally accomplished her goal of becoming a doctor. Next word is accord. Agreement or harmony. To give or grant something as deserved. Accord को हम हिंदी में समझौता कहते हैं, उर्दू में मुहासिबा, तेलुगु में अनुमोदना. For example, the two nations reached an accord on trade policies. Next word is accumulate. To gather or collect over time. Accumulate को हम हिंदी में जमा करना कहते हैं, उर्दू में जमा करना, तेलुगु में कलिगी उंचु. For example, he managed to accumulate a substantial amount of wealth through wise investments. Next word is accurate. Correct, exact or free from error. Accurate को हम हिंदी में सटीक कहते हैं, उर्दू में सही, तेलुगु में सरीगा. For example, the scientists conducted precise experiments to ensure accurate results. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.